we have nasheeds. Our nasheed artist, Zain Bhika, was born in 1974 in Pretoria, South Africa. Zain showed a keen interest from a young age in entertaining his friends and family with his beautiful singing. He was not aware of his full potential until 1994 when he won a singing competition on a local radio station. A simple song which he recorded on his home karaoke system brought him out top amongst mostly professional participants. In 1999, Zain was given the chance to perform in 7 of the 8 songs in Yusuf Islam's album A is for Allah. Brothers and sisters, let's welcome on stage the melodious nasheed enchanter from South Africa, Zain Bhika.
We are the Muslim Ummah, and each day that goes by, the harder we try. In gratitude we pray to Allah, chosen as part of the best of mankind. We spread the word of Islam. Each minute, each hour, in awe of His power. Each flower, each tree, everything that we see. Spread the word, oh man, spread the word Islam. Oh, fortunate one, paradise must be won. Each day and each night, through darkness and light, cry it out to the world, loud enough to be heard. Spread the word, spread the word, spread the word Islam. Every difficulty faced in our lives makes us realize that it's just part of Allah's plan. Feeling stronger, we take it in our stride. He will always favor the patient one while we spread the word of Islam. Every sigh said goodbye, every tear from my eye, every yes, every no, every high, every low. Spread the word, oh man, spread the word Islam. Oh, fortunate one, paradise must be won. Each day and each night, through darkness and light, cry it out to the world, loud enough to be heard. Spread the word, spread the word, spread the word Islam. Spread the word Islam, spread the word, oh man. Oh, fortunate one, paradise must be won. Each day and each night, through darkness and light, cry it out to the world, loud enough to be heard. Spread the word, spread the word, spread the word Islam. He stepped inside his home, he was overwhelmed with fear. An angel came with words from God, things were still unclear. Saying, read, read, but he could not read. Amazing words that he heard. A trembling deep inside his heart, confused by what had occurred. There was only one who could comfort him, to help him see the light, to ease his fears, to reassure, was Khadija, his wife. He said, Zammiluni, Zammiluni, Dathiruni, Dathiruni, a mighty task has come before me. I need you here with me by was a woman of nobility, successful in all her trade. Many wealthy men had asked for her, she turned them all away. But when she saw Muhammad, a shining moon, may peace be on his soul, he was a light for her, so right for her, her life will now be whole. But she had never seen him so distressed as he was that day. She would comfort him and hold him tight. And chase his doubts away when he said, Zamiluni, Zamiluni, Dathiruni. Dathiruni, a mighty task has come before me. I need you here with me, by my side, by my side. Now years have passed, times have changed since Khadija breathed her last. And the message of the one true God was spreading far and vast. But then he came across some jewelry that Khadija had once worn. His eyes began to swell with tears, his heart began to mourn. Cause she was there for him when the times were rough and his enemies were cruel. She was the first believer, so keen and eager to comfort our Rasul when he said, Zamiluni, Zamiluni, Dathiruni, Dathiruni, a mighty task has come before me. I need you here with me, by my side, by my side, by my side. Rasulullah, Habiballah, Shafi'allah, Nabi Allah. He said, Zamiluni, Zamiluni, Dathiruni, Dathiruni, a mighty task has come before me. I need you here with me, by my side, by my side, by my side. Sometimes when the world's not on your side, You don't know where to run to, you don't know where to hide. You gaze at the stars in the sky, at the mountains so high, through the tears in your eyes, looking for a reason to replace what is gone. Just remember, oh remember, that you are never alone. Remember, you are never alone. You are never alone. Just reach into your heart and Allah is always there. You are never alone. You are never alone. Through sorrow and through grief, through happiness and peace, you will never be alone. So now, as you long for your past, prepare for your future, but knowing nothing's gonna last. You see, this life is but a road, a straight and narrow path to our final abode. So travel well almost, and paradise will be your home. And always remember that you are never alone. You are never alone. Will be your home. Just reach into your heart, and Allah is always there. You are never alone. Will be your home. Through sorrow and through grief, through happiness and peace, you will never be alone. You are never alone. You are never alone.
You have to sing along. This is a very easy song. It's only got one word. Salamun. Can we sing it together?
Ready?
It's very easy.
Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. جعلنا السلام شيارا لنا، وباسم السلام اتقينا هنا، لتجعل يا رب أيامنا على هذه الأرض بشرى السلام. Peaceful, 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 peace. Peaceful, 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 peace. We made peace a sin. Symbol of our ours. In the name of peace, we gather here now. Oh Lord, please make these days of ours on this earth filled with peace. Together. Salamun, 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 salam. Come on. Salam. Salamun, salamun, salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, salam. سلام سلام فيا رب إنك أنت السلام ومنك السلام وعندك السلام لأمرك يرجع أمر الأنام وبين يديك قلوب الأنام Peaceful, 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 peace. Peaceful, 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 peace. So Lord, indeed, you are salam. From you comes salam, and with you is salam. To you belongs the command of all things. Between your hands are the hearts of all beings. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. One more time. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mountains of Mecca, what can you say of the day that Abraham passed your way? And he was instructed by God to build a house of peace where people will pray, and they will come on every land, camel and dot of every ravine, for the purpose of praising Allah, to glorify Allah. Oh mountains of Mecca, what can you tell of the day that stones from the sky fell, destroying an army determined to break the house of Allah that Abraham built? Oh mountains of Mecca, how was the dawn on the day that my prophet Muhammad was born? How did it feel knowing he was to be the last and most beloved of all? Rasul of Allah, Nabi of Allah. Oh mountains of Mecca, you were there when the Prophet Muhammad climbed down in despair. Engraved in his heart were the words of his Lord. To all of mankind, this was his call. La ilaha illallah. Muhammadur Rasulullah. Oh people, praise only Allah. Glorify Allah. Oh mountains of Mecca, how did you mourn on the day that the beloved returned to his Lord? And up till the last breath escaped from his lips, he prayed that his ummah would find success. Oh mountains of Mecca, how will it feel when the earth shall quake and tremble with fear? And we shall be gathered together to stand in the court of Allah with our deeds at hand. Oh, how we pray that on that day we'll be with those to whom Allah will say, peace be with you. I am pleased with you. Oh, mountains of Mecca, bear witness that I, to the oneness of Allah, do I testify. For all that He's given me, I cannot deny. My purpose in life could be only to cry. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah. Muhammad is His messenger. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah. Muhammad is His messenger. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad Rasulillah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad Nabi Allah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad Rasulillah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad Rasul Allah. Zakir khair. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Mercy and blessings from above descend ceaselessly on Medina. People feel the joy, people feel the love in the city of Rasulullah. A perfect path He laid for everyone. He lived and died for us. What have I done? I have forsaken His life, I have abandoned His way. Oh Allah, now my time has come. Deep in my heart I feel a change has begun. Deep in my soul I feel the warmth of the sun, burning bright with Iman on the road to Ihsan. All my obstacles overcome. Sing with me. Peace be upon Rasulullah. Peace be upon Habiballah. Peace be upon Muhammad. Peace be upon Shafi Allah. Peace be upon Khayra Khalqillah. Peace be upon Muhammad, last of the Anbiya. For His call was to worship the One, their hearts united with the beating of the drum. And the children were singing praises to Him. I wish I could have been there with them. Please welcome
the children of Islamic, the International School. Peace be upon Habib, peace be upon Muhammad, peace be.
All of you to this 9th day evening session of the 10-day International Islamic Conference and Exhibition on Peace, the Solution for Humanity. We begin today evening session with the Qiraat by Sheikh Salah ibn Muhammad al-Budair, the Imam and Khatib of Masjid al-Nabwi, Medina. Brothers and sisters, please welcome Sheikh Salah al-Budair.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير. الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور. الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير. ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير. وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير. إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير. قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير. وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير. فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير. وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور. ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
Jazakallah, Sheikh Salah al-Budair, for your lovely qiraat. Before we have the translation of the qiraat, we have a short program in between where we would like to encourage some of the students who have been very excellent in the hifz of the Quran at the hands of Sheikh Salah al-Budair. These awards are being presented to the Huffaz and the Hafizat of Islamic International School, Mumbai, at the hands of the Imam and Khatib of Masjid al-Nabwi, Sheikh Salah al-Budair. Now, out of the 60 Huffaz that we have and the Hafizat we have at the Islamic International School, Mumbai, I would like to point out that most of them have become Hafizul Quran, that's memorizing the glorious Quran, approximately over 1 hour 5 days a week, over 9 months a year, for 2.5 to 3.5 years, while pursuing their regular studies and extracurricular activities at school. Amongst these, we have chosen the best among these. We have in the boys the 5 best Huffaz of IAS, namely Naik